Hey, back at home base, did you see that lightning back behind me there? So that's not salt water behind me, but that's real water falling on me right here this morning. And we've got a lot to talk about. We'll track the morning showers and show you where they're going to be later on today. We'll talk about the coolest air of the season coming in for the eastern U.S. this weekend. Yeah, it's starting to rain now. And we'll also talk about some distant weather about 8.5 days back. Did you see that flash of lightning? There's your radar snapshot at 5 o'clock. Showers and thunderstorms from Lake Martin down to Montgomery, back over to the Camden area, all moving through right on schedule this morning. Boy, future radar last night was perfect. 8 o'clock in the morning, a few showers perhaps still in central Alabama, sliding into southeast Alabama by that hour. Now, the future radar at noon tries to still paint a few showers here in central Alabama. I think they're gone by that hour. But by 3 o'clock, the showers do shift into southeast Alabama with the front right around Enterprise and Dothan, and then out of the state by early this evening, and then a nice day ahead for tomorrow. Look at that front way up in Canada. You see the arrow I'm pointing at? That is way up in central Canada, moving down by 7 o'clock on Thursday evening, just north of the Memphis area. That's a big front. This is an important one. It's a dry front, but it brings the coolest air of the season. There's 7 o'clock on Friday morning, so it turns breezy during the day on Friday. And then look at that. That big high over the Great Lakes, cool air all the way from Hudson Bay down into central Florida over the weekend. That's significant. Now, the GFS printing highs in the upper 60s starting Sunday into Monday, and lows in the 40s for 3 mornings starting Sunday morning. That's the GFS model trend. What about actual forecast? All right, let's take a stab at it. We'll say 81 Friday, lower 70s for a high on Saturday, sunny and cool, and then maybe upper 40s Sunday morning. I think Sunday night will be around 46 degrees. How about that for a nice change? Now we're looking way out into the future, about 8.5 days, October 21st. It's a Wednesday, a big front coming out of the Midwest. And what's that in the Gulf of Mexico out ahead of it? Could be a lot of moisture. Here's Thursday the 22nd. Again, this is just a model idea. We're just looking out here, and we'll keep an eye on this situation. Could be big ticket weather for us. Hey, you can follow me on Twitter all day long. I do constant updates all day at Rich Forecaster, all right? Join me on Twitter. Thanks. So there you go. Rain is starting to get a little bit heavier now as I record this at about 5:30 this morning. You're going to have to deal with this on your morning commute. I hope you have a good day. Follow me all day on Twitter, and I'll keep you up to date on the weather, plus right here on Facebook. Have a good one.
Rich Thomas Weather.